We're Joshua Tree National Park, and we're looking down on the Coachella Valley from the Keys observation point. It's the highest observation point in the park at about 5,400 feet. And what's really cool about this is you've got three distinct things going on here. Down there is the San Andreas Fault, that little ridge of what look like foothills, or actually the fault line between here and the Santa Rosa Mountains. To the left of that, I don't know if you can tell, but there's some cityscape down there. A lot of that is agricultural, but right up against that tall peak at the center, which is Mount San Jacinto, is Palm Springs. And then if we continue around over in that direction, that is what's the name of that? The sea?
Salton Sea.
The Salton Sea. There's a lot of haze going on here, so I'm just going to kind of read you what this thing says. The haze comes from sources such as water vapor, dust, and air pollution. The air pollution can come from locations many miles away. Southern California industrial plants, power plants, wood stoves, and automobiles belch soot, dust, and smoke into the atmosphere. The prevailing winds direct the air and tunnel it in through the Banning Pass, where it is dispersed throughout the Coachella Valley. Which is kind of sad because what we're looking at is haze, but apparently it's worse in the summer than it is in the winter. So this is probably actually a pretty clear day for being up here. The Salton Sea, which is in that direction, is 35 miles away and lies 235 feet below sea level. Behind that, I don't know if you can see it on the video, but there's a large mountain there. That's Signal Mountain. It's 95 miles away near the U.S.-Mexican border. And then we've got Mount San Jacinto, 10,831 feet, more than twice the height of the mountains within Joshua Tree National Park. At the bottom, we've got Palm Springs, home to nearly 100 golf courses. So that's kind of the story here, which is really, really cool. I know this video isn't really doing it much for it, but San Andreas Fault, Palm Springs, Salton Sea, San Jacinto Mountain in Coachella Valley, while we stand in Joshua Tree National Park.